Hey everyone, happy return to Shib. By 2025, what will the value of 20 million Shiba Inu coins be? Shib News, the eagerly anticipated Sharam is nearing completion. The blockchain community is thrilled about the debut of this Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet, according to the most recent updates from the Shiba Inu team. The announcement of the Sharam testnet going live was followed immediately by an increase in Shib's pricing. One of the reasons this coin has performed well is the increasing demand for it, as more investors purchased Shiba Inus before the product's actual launch, which is expected to cause an explosion. To solve the significant issue of Shiba Inu's reliance on the Ethereum blockchain, Sharam was created. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will be powered by the blockchain solution, which also enables developers to expand upon it. As a result, it is one of the essential services that will increase Shiba Inu currency adoption. We'll discuss the potential value of 20 million Shibu coins by 2025 in this video. Shib News, to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inus, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give the channel a thumbs up. Let's get the video started right now. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu increased by 15.2% in the last 24 hours and 31.2% in the previous 7 days on January 17. By market capitalization, SHIB is currently the 13th largest digital asset, yet, among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, its price of 0.0012 has seen one of its best days. The 24-hour trading volume for the meme coin increased by around 200%, with the majority of the trades being hosted by Binance and Coinbase. Strong rallies in altcoins are occurring after those of market leaders like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as has frequently occurred in past market cycles. This could be because traders are reinvesting their winnings from large-cap assets into smaller ones. According to data from CryptoQuant, the quantity of SHIB tokens being transferred to exchanges saw a huge jump on January 10 when over 14 trillion tokens were put on exchanges. The increase in price today suggests that assets might be opened as derivative contracts instead of being sold on the open market. If the futures market is the source of the recent SHIB price moves, then the market may become more volatile if long positions start to liquidate. The Shiba Inu team revealed earlier this week that it is developing Sharam, a Layer 2 network, to run on top of Ethereum. Although some people view Sharam as a price-pumping tool, the team stated in their project's blog post that this is not and never has been the project's objective. Instead, the company contends that the tokens in the ecosystem would see faster transaction times and lower prices because to its new Layer 2 network. Throughout January, there has been a notable increase in the price of Shiba Inus. Nevertheless, wider time frames do not provide the best bullish signs, therefore caution should still be used. Investors are focusing on the Shiba Inu's price because of the month-long surge of volatility, which has produced multiple lucrative day trading chances. At the moment, Shiba Inu is trading at 0.0000001037. On a daily time scale, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, an indicator that evaluates trend potential by contrasting and comparing prior pivot points, displays an unusual state of affairs. After breaking above overbought conditions above the 70 mark during the latest surge, the indications are clearly optimistic. Regretfully, the rise hardly affected the weekly RSI. The surge exhibits a concealed bearish divergence while staying in the neutral zone. This might be a subliminal indication that the market's early bulls are paddling toward a waterfall and could be liquidated in the upcoming weeks. Should this be the case, a challenge to the recent genesis point at 0.0000000800 might cause a 25% drop in the current SHIB price. Furthermore, the smart money can qualify Shib's potential for an upcoming rally at the liquidity level above the disguised bearish divergence. Shiba Inu's present market value might rise by 75% if the bearish thesis is refuted by a breach at 0.0000001516, which would also initiate a rally towards the August high at 0.0000001793. Many people responded favorably to the January 15, 2023, comment thread, complimenting Shiba Inu and even at times praising it over Dogecoin, the original meme token that was introduced as a joke on Bitcoin back in 2013. There are currently no indications of a market reversal, and SHIB is steadily rising. The primary cause of this unanticipated upward shift is probably related to several updates regarding Shibarium and listings on several major cryptocurrency exchanges. Shiba Inu has also been exhibiting breakout potential. It has been accumulating near the 200 to 100-day moving average for over 4 days, suggesting that this was an accumulation phase preceding the breakout. However, according on his previous tweets, David Jin exclusively has Doge and Shiba Inus. The burning volume will probably continue to rise if the market's current price trend continues. Early in December, altcoin Japan, a trading platform operated by the San Francisco-based exchange, added support for the second-largest meme coin based on market capitalization value. The most recent Shiba Inu coin news indicates that the market is likely to remain gloomy and that not much should be expected. It can take some time for the industry to bounce back from this trend. While some analysts predict a significant crypto winter is still to come, others believe that investors are in for a positive ride. Initiatives like DAO, Shiba Inu Game, and NFTs could provide more momentum, pushing the price over the 0.000000269 objective. At the same moment, the price may reach 0.000000185 due to normal buying and selling pressure. Eventually, the price may remain at 0.000000102 due to unfavorable patterns. The increasing prominence of luxury and retail brands may pave the way for an influx of high-end clients and worldwide exposure. The increasing influence is visible one after the other, with whales currently holding the majority of the stake, followed by investors and retail. Nevertheless, there has been a consistent increase in the volume aided by retailers. Therefore, Shib's price may reach 0.000000361 in the event of a rise in buy orders. Conversely, declining SHIB statistics and low demand could bring the price down to 0.000000350. Based on the bullish and bearish targets, 0.000000250 may be the base for the average price. SHIB is anticipated to grow significantly over time if the creator's ambitious plans come to pass and if it becomes a major force in the metaverse. If the typical buying and selling pressures from the community drive the market, Shib's price might settle around 0.000000437. SHIB may trade for 0.000000377 on average. On the downside, FUD may result if investors are unable to keep up with the digital assets exchange liquidity. And unfavorable opinions might drive the price down to 0.000000318. It is important to note that the price estimate for Shiba Inus has dropped by more than 87% from its peak of 0.00000008845. However, if the bulls surge, Shiba Inu might reach reachable highs of 0.000000259 by the end of 2023. Based on Coinpedia's analysis of the market. The price of the meme coin may enter a bearish hook and reach 0.000000112 as a bottom if negative tendencies driven by large liquidations take hold. The network added Leash as the second token after SHIB, which began as a rebase token. The network changed fast to a form that was fungible, similar to the previous token. The token currently has a fixed supply of 100,000 and the keys were burned. According to the network, those that maintain the currency's liquidity will be eligible for exclusive benefits. Because Ethereum powers the network, which is still in development, it is extremely safe. Shiba Inu is likely to benefit in part from Ethereum's planned migration from the proof-of-work consensus process to the proof-of-stake mechanism. Prominent exchanges that list the altcoin include Uniswap, Binance, Coinbase Pro, and CoinWorkX India. We're done for today. Remember to give the channel a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see our most recent videos.